What is good, family, and welcome back to the channel. Please go ahead and throw those A's in the chat. If you can hear your boy speak, go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right away, and we can get this thing rolling. What is up, Damon? Good to see you here. Let's go. I know we're starting a little bit late, team. That is because me and the team have been observing ticker symbol UPS for earnings, right? So they are doing not bad. I will say we have a very limited amount of time right here, so I want to go ahead and extend an invite to that Discord for you to join, right? The live trading and the guided trades. Right, so right now, team, let's look at the SPY, because the SPY currently is around just its average true range is usually at about $3, right? That 392 actually, close to $4. It's going to open around that true range, but that means that we then have room to drop again, right? So I need you to be careful with the way this is going to present itself, right? So I'm talking about immediate, maybe tech sector downside, right? CoinFox inside of the Discord is already talking about Tesla pressure to the downside right out of the gate. We have the SPY with pressure down right out of the gate as well. Take a look at this, right? The buy daily time frame. Actually, let's go to the daily, and actually, dude, that's gonna be a pre-market gap up to what is it? To gap fill reversal. So if we can actually see a reversion back here, we may be able to see a 191.62 or a potential downside to that closing of the candle of 190.93. Please be very careful, because there is also some supports down respectively, right? 189.58 right into the 188.17 of this daily gap right here, right? So eyeballs on Tesla, as it may get a reversion here before a continuation, okay? So keep a close eye on that, all right? So Tesla may be in play right out of the bat. The one that we were looking at, team ticker symbol UPS, has dropped 14 points from the open, right? So we actually got from the close of the post hours, which was at about $160. This thing dropped all the way to 146.01 and pumped almost 14 of those points back entirely over the span of around 4 minutes, and then came back, and it's now making its move to the upside. In other words, if you look at this on a daily time frame, please notice that the daily time frame is completely and massively gapped down from 158 to that 149.20, presently sitting almost 10 points to the downside. If this thing gets an upside move, then we have some resistances right at around 152.10, and the support levels are right down here. We're looking, I know that this is a little broad here, but we do have an immediate support at 144.92. Failure of that 144.92, gap down to here at around 139.90 on UPS. Heads up with that play there, okay, team? Microsoft, in the other hand, we are looking at, let's go ahead and pull up the daily time frame and see how that's kind of reacting here. And you know what? I will actually create the invite here just in case some of the family members in Discord want to join the trading community and family here inside of the Discord, right? So JD Nettles, good to see you, my brother. Very good to see you. So here you go. This is the link to join the Arca Bulls trading team. And the remember, you guys get scripts here. You guys get live trades, guided trades alongside some very talented people here. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue on to this, right?
Okay, if you're back, there's no sound.
Oh, thank you, brother. So the sound was actually only on the YouTube side, right? So I explained to them exactly what I just explained to you on the UPS play, right? So just make sure that if we can get the UPS to look. I noticed something here that I didn't notice before. There's a gap of support right here at 147.95. If we start failing these critical zones, then your immediate support is located here, 144.92 to 139.90. I thought my button unmuted it. My apologies, Discord team. Let's go ahead and make sure that let's make sure that we can never have that happen again, right? So aside from this, SPY, right? SPY is gapping down right now 4 points. It's almost gapping down its average true range just on the pre-market, right? So this may actually try to reach a little bit lower into its a golden pocket and then long itself to cover the gap. If we can clear and fill that gap, then great, right? So now going back to Tesla real quick for the team on Discord, because they weren't able to hear me, right? Remember, Tesla may be the one at play here. We are just about 4 points to the downside, to the upside, sorry. So if we're going to get some type of resistance, that may not, I mean, honestly, 197 at tops, even that's kind of weird. But I'm looking for this thing to revert, close that gap, right at around 191.55 to, I spoke around, my targets were around 188, let's just say 188.04 to about 191.50. Right around there is where this can drop to. We may be able to load some longs there and continue on to the upside. So watch out with Tesla, right? This ticker may be in play. OGG, thank you so much for bringing that up, my brother. I love that you were able to immediately before I moved any, much forward, dude. How terrible. So yesterday we were talking about the FedEx sympathy, right? Sympathy play to UPS, and as you can see here, 248 to it dropped about 8 points from the post market close, and it did recover. It did recover almost half of that, right? Came right back down to that 243.07. So we may be able to. We're gonna play UPS, but in case there is an opportunity, FedEx will be open. But UPS is the one in play. All right, team. So UPS is definitely going to be the one. Observe it here on the daily time frame. The daily close was 158.02, listed right back here. Price is sitting at 148.11. Again, it's right at that gap, right? So let me get rid of the drawings here so that you can see. It's the oh my goodness, the inflection point is actually the fair value gap, right? That fair value gap bottom could be right around 146.24. We may be able to keep that price in balance right around where we are right now, but the initial response at market open is going to be what's going to give us that guide in the first place, right? Supports at the bottom side. Keep an eye on 144.92 to 139.90. Resistances to the upside here are very much relevant to a 5-minute time frame, right? So let's go ahead and pull up that 5-minute time frame and see what we have as far as those resistances in the moving averages. So right now, we actually during the pre-market here, we rejected from the SMA 20 and the SMA 50 on a 5-minute time frame. We are now falling beneath the EMA 9, EMA 7, and the SMA 5, right? So remember, team, that there is a gap support here, but I wouldn't hold those gaps on a 5-minute with too much respect. 147.51. Now, to remind the team, we're going to be trading the after hours earnings today. Oh, William, what is up, my bro? On my way to Atlantic City to finger ZJYL forward split approved. Trades that way today or tomorrow. How are you doing? Peace. Oh, William, my brother, I'm doing well. It's so good to see you here, man. I'm just streaming really quick for the YouTube platform. I'm only coming on here for 10 to 15 minutes. And then I move on to trading privately in the dark, right, with the Discord. But William, it is so good to see you, my brother. I hope everything is okay. And please do not text or reply back to me right while you're driving. Oh my goodness. I spoke to the team about you a few days ago, saying that I really wanted to come by and say hi, but I always see that you have a whole bunch of people in your live stream, man. And I don't want to interrupt. I don't want to get in the way. I know there's a lot of people that have been, making you feel reluctant or feeling frustrated, brother. If I can just share my kindness to you and tell you that you're doing a great job, man. You're doing good by retail. You're not being nefarious. You're just sharing your honest opinions. And you let me know if somebody's talking shit about you, because I'll go over there and smack them up real quick, man. Nobody talks bad to my Uncle Willie. All right. So make sure to take care of Willie. All right. I told everyone right now. Everybody knows they got to take care of you now, William. All right. So you let me know, brother. But I love you, man. It was very good to see you here, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate you, brother. And I appreciate you and the team and the community as well. So please, best regards to everyone. I know I've been a little bit of MIA here in the small cap and micro cap community, but earnings season is a big season for the traders. I know you know how that goes. But yeah, team. So William, I will have to close this off right here, right now. So make sure to hit when you get to the Discord. In the Arca Lounge, make sure to tag me and say, hey, in that channel, Arca's Lounge, tag me. And I'm going to go ahead and put you into the family, and then you'll be able to join me on these guided trades in the morning. I know that you have a lot of things to do. You're busy, right? But just in case, you come by, okay? You come by to the Discord. I'm going to put that link right in here, right? And you follow that link. It's in the chat, all right? And then I'll put you in the premium family, and you'll be able to join me here and the rest of the team. All right, buddy, but I do have to sign out. Market open will be in just about 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes. So we need to make sure to get this prepared. Team, make sure to hit that link. Join the Arca Bulls trading community, and we'll be able to get these things rolling. William, be safe, drive safe, and let me know how that goes. If you need me to come on live with you and speak about whatever, you let me know, buddy, and I'll make sure to make myself available for you and the team. All right, you guys, but YouTube, I appreciate you coming out, and I appreciate your support so much. Let's go ahead and close off this stream and continue in the dark. And we'll make sure to rip this thing open. Mark Roach, love you, buddy. I'll see you inside the team. All right, you guys, peace, be well, and I will catch you inside of the Arca Bulls Trading Team Discord, all right? Adios. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, never, ever, never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very, very good rest of your day. And I will catch you at the bell, literally mañana. Adios, team.